Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the VIDAL SASSOON Pro Series Ultra Vibrant Hair Color Kit, 3VR London Luxe Deep Velvet Violet, 1 application. This seems like a color that might not hold up so well long term, especially with a few spots clearly much brighter to begin with. It would be a disappointment for someone who has never colored their hair, and they purchased this, and had no instructions, and no internet access. The purple color was great for the first wash, or two, then it turned red. The color was great for 23 days then began fading into a really bad red tone. It looks like a deep, cool black inside, and outside, under the sunlight, shines in beautiful, rich deep, and dark blue tones. There was no chemical scent with this product while it was applied, and it didn't drip while being applied either. Long-lasting, and great color, lots of compliments. However, the color is dark with a dark blue sheen. After 2 weeks, the color was only a little noticeable at the roots, everything else had disappeared. Make sure to really rub the conditioner into your scalp along with the hair to remove scalp stain. Really good quality hair dye. It leaves the hair silky smooth. Doesn't damage the hair like most other brands. Looks great for a few days, but then the blue washes out, and you're left with black hair. It's very dark, and only shows some of the deep plum tint when standing in the bright sun, so it probably rinsed out all of the wonderful conditioning magic that the treatment was intended for. The paste smelled a little bit at first when you mixed it, but then the smell went away. The whole process was straightforward, and left me with rich color, and soft hair from root to tip. Color turned red in a week as expected, nothing new. Very nice color though, both before purple after red. However, the color only lasted about 3 weeks. After 3 washes it was a brassy color. The color is beautiful, and it easy to apply with almost no smell to speak of. Love it. It was a beautiful rich black, but even in the brightest light, you could not see the purple. The problem is that it's hard to measure out only 3/4 of the mixed product for the first application. Especially with long hair, it's hard to make parts, and apply only to roots as noted in the instructions. In the sun it really stands out, and you can see a beautiful, rich, dark violet color with a hint of red. Wish it was a little bit lighter of a purple so you could really tell it is purple. Can be overwhelming when you first open the box, but after reading the instructions thoroughly, it was a breeze. For the first 2 washes after application the hair is very dark, and slowly washes out to brownish red. The gloves are better quality, and won't rip holes when you try to put them on, or take them off. First you add 34 of this dye to your roots, wait 30 minutes, add some other stuff to the remainder of the dye, rub on the ends of hair, and wait another 10 minutes. With this you do the roots first, and leave some of the mixture in the bowl, then wait a time limit, then mix the second step, and put on the ends of the hair, then wait again, and wash all out. Yes, it is about a shade darker, but this is more purple than the lilac shade. Then you mix the cream from a tube with the milky substance from a bottle. You are supposed to make 12-inch parts over your entire head, and apply the mixture to the roots along each part. It's hard enough to tell where you've applied the color on the parts of your head you can see. Forget about the back. After the 20-30 minutes depending on hair color you put the gloves back on, and mix in a serum packet with the remaining 14 of mixture. If you want to feel like you're doing it the correct salon way, or you want to play hairdresser and client with your boyfriend, then this may be for you. Color was a very deep black for a couple of days with little blue undertone. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.